A short teaser was all it took to spark fresh excitement. In just a few seconds, Nothing quietly confirmed that its next wireless earbuds are on the way, and the company may have already revealed one of their biggest selling points. Nothing has officially announced that the Nothing Ear 3A will debut on July 7th, sharing the stage with the upcoming Nothing Phone 4B. While the teaser keeps most of the hardware under wraps, it clearly confirms 4 color options: black, white, yellow, and an all-new pink finish, giving buyers more choices than ever before. The teaser itself doesn't reveal the earbuds' full design or specifications. Instead, it leans into Nothing's signature minimalist marketing style, leaving room for anticipation while hinting that more details could arrive before the official unveiling.
Based on previous leaks, the Ear 3A is expected to continue the company's strategy of delivering premium-inspired features at a more accessible price. Reports suggest pricing could remain around €99, matching the launch price of the previous Ear A, despite rising costs across the consumer electronics market. Another interesting detail is that the promotional teaser was reportedly filmed using the upcoming Nothing Phone 4B, reinforcing the company's plan to introduce both products as part of a connected ecosystem during the same launch event. Although Nothing hasn't confirmed the technical specifications yet, industry expectations point toward improvements in audio quality, battery performance, and software integration. If those upgrades arrive while maintaining the familiar price point, the Ear 3A could become another strong contender in the highly competitive mid-range wireless earbuds market.
With the launch now officially scheduled, the remaining questions revolve around performance, features, and regional availability. Fortunately, we won't have to wait much longer to find out. What do you think about the new pink color option? Would you pick it over the classic black or white? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more of the latest tech updates.